What's up, guys? So today we're talking about another trade that I recently did, or I guess I'm currently in the middle of because I have to ship my side of the bargain out. But it's a pretty big trade. So I have my Spyderco Janisong. If you haven't seen the video on this thing, it is awesome. And this is a very, very cool, definitely more rare knife that I had in my collection. But I had a buddy online who wanted to do a trade for it. And he just had some really cool stuff. So I couldn't say no. Worked on a trade for a while and finally agreed upon something. Just got his package in the mail today. And I'm giving you guys a little bit of a sneak peek on what was in there, because this is not the only thing. But this is a bird wrench from Spyderco. I've talked about this before. I'm not sure what videos. You know, I ramble on about all kinds of stuff over the years. So it's hard to pinpoint exactly when I said things. But I used to have a spider wrench, Spyderco spider wrench. It's the same design. This was just the bird version, the cheaper version of it. It's a very interesting multi-tool. I will definitely do a separate video on this. I don't want to give everything away in this one, just because I can dedicate a whole video just to this tool, which is quite fascinating. But anyway, I've been on a multi-tool kick lately. Like I said, he just offered the right stuff. So I agreed upon the trade. So sad to say, the Janisong will no longer be. If you haven't seen this before, I do have a full video on it. But essentially, this is a Balisong type design within a folder, right? So we have an inner handle, inner set of handles, okay? And obviously a blade, so you can kind of flip it around like a Balisong, which is very, very cool. It also locks in the open and closed position. This one's still brand new. I mean, I flipped it a little bit, but never used it. Has a virgin blade on there. And believe it or not, I have the box for it. I almost never have boxes for knives because you guys know I don't keep them. But I've been a little bit smarter lately, and some of the rare stuff that I do get boxes, I do keep. So the new owner will certainly have all the original packaging as well, which is a bonus for collectors and stuff. Anyway, I thought it was a pretty interesting trade. It is very sad to see the Janisong go. But it's kind of like, you know, been there, done that. I will regret it. I know that. It's kind of like when I trade my dodos off or whatever. But you know what? There's a lot of knives out there. And it's just one way to try some cool new stuff is to get rid of some old stuff. As much as I love it, as much as I want to collect every knife in the world, I just can't. So I can't go out and just buy this stuff. I obviously trade for everything. So I know the new owner will be very pleased to have this. It is a very, very fun knife to play around with and actually use if he decides to do so. And like I said, stay tuned because I'm going to do a video on the bird wrench as well as the other stuff. I'll tell you that he also sent a very cool pen. Another multi-tool, which I've never seen before. It's a Leatherman model that I did not know existed until he showed it to me, and it is super cool. So you guys will see that as well, and maybe a couple other goodies. We'll see. Anyway, that's it for now, guys. Let me know down below if you have a regret on a trade. Did you trade a knife or sell a knife that you just really, really miss? A lot of you guys have. I'd like to hear about it. That's it for now. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.